Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Easy English Practice. Today, we will talk about my morning routine. This lesson is very easy. Please relax, listen carefully, and speak with me slowly. Let's begin. I wake up early every morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. When I wake up, I open my eyes slowly. Then, I sit on my bed. I stretch my body. I take a deep breath. The morning is quiet and peaceful. I feel fresh and calm. After that, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning is healthy. It helps my body wake up. Now repeat after me. I wake up early. I drink water. I feel fresh. Very good. Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake. Then I look in the mirror. I smile and say, "Today will be a good day." Positive words are important. They help me feel happy and confident. Now repeat. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Today will be a good day. Excellent. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I also make a cup of coffee or tea. The kitchen smells warm and nice. I sit quietly and enjoy my breakfast. While eating, I think about my goals. I want to improve my English every day. Small practice is important. Even 10 minutes can help. Now repeat. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I practice English every day. Great job. After breakfasts, I study English. I sit near the window. I open my notebook. I listen to slow English audio. I learn new words every morning. Sometimes I read easy English stories. Sometimes I practice speaking. I speak slowly and clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. English becomes easier every day. Now repeat. I study English. I learn new words. I am not afraid of mistakes. Wonderful. Then I go outside for a short walk. The morning air feels fresh. Birds are singing. The sun shines softly. I see trees, people, and cars. Everything feels calm. Walking helps my mind relax. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I think quietly. Morning walks make me feel peaceful. Now repeat. I go for a walk. The air feels fresh. I feel peaceful. Amazing. A good morning routine is very important. Healthy habits can change your life. You do not need to be perfect. Just improve a little every day. Wake up early. Drink water. Study English slowly. Believe in yourself. Your English will improve step by step, day by day. You can do it. Now repeat. I believe in myself. I practice every day. My English is improving. Excellent work. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this easy English lesson. Practice these sentences every morning. Slow practice is powerful. Do not give up. Keep learning English every day. See you in the next lesson. Have a beautiful morning. Goodbye.